Hi there, students. Gangly. Gangly. This is an adjective. I guess you could say ganglily. No, I think in a gangly way was an adverb. Okay, if you use gangly to describe a person, it, it's talking about a person who's very tall and very thin and moves in an awkward way. They're not elegant in the way they move. Yeah, he was a gangly youth, 2 meters tall and weighed 80 kilos. So long and thin, he's a beanpole. But also gangly, it implies that they're awkward in movement. They don't walk very easily. Yeah, tall, thin, and awkward in movement. So he wasn't very tall, but he had enormously long, gangly arms that hung down. They were very long and out of proportion with the rest of his body. His gangly movements were awkward. They weren't elegant at all. Yeah, so thin and tall, but moving with a loose jointed awkwardness. A gangly teenager, that's particularly common. Yeah, his gangly legs are hung from a pair of shorts. Let's see, we've also got an adjective which is a synonym, lanky. I think lanky just says tall and thin, whereas gangly's tall and thin and not elegant in the way they move. A plant could be gangly. It grows very tall, but it doesn't have lots of leaves. When a plant grows in a place where there's not much light, it becomes gangly. Yeah? It becomes spindly and long. It's lanky. Yeah? Many of these basketball players are a bit gangly. Well, maybe some of them are actually quite agile as well. Yeah? So, a short body with gangly arms. Okay? So, if something's gangly, it's tall, thin, but with thin, long arms, thin, long legs. Yeah? A gangly kid who overnight turned into a handsome young man. Notice you could also use gangling instead of gangly. Yeah, he was a gangling youth or a gangly youth. I think I probably prefer gangly to gangling. Okay, so tall and thin, but so tall and so thin that you're not very elegant. You're awkwardly tall. Yeah, particularly a gangling adolescent, a gangling teenager dressed in jeans and a t-shirt. Yeah, so gangly, a long, tall, thin person, and it's nearly always used to talk about people. So gangly, how formal? I'd give it a 5 in formality. You could use it anywhere. It's a great word to use to describe someone if you were making a description of somebody. And then as to origin, it may come from the word gangle, from a dialectical word gang, meaning to go or to walk or to proceed. But I would be interested in more etymology on that one as well. Okay? So, gangly, excessively tall and thin and not very elegant at walking. So I'm far too fat to be gangly, yeah? You've got to be taller and thinner than I am. I'm sure you know somebody who's very gangly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gangly, or gangling as well.